How you doing, folks? James Power here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this lovely 2019 BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. It comes in this carbon black metallic finish with the LED front lights, the blacked out BMW kidney grille, the M Sport front bumper. Come around to the side. You have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport brake pads and the M Sport badging. You have the privacy glass in the rear. Come around to the back. You have the BMW 530e badging, the massive twin exhausts. This car is also fitted with an automatic trunk. Just a simple click of the key fob and she'll open up. Now folks, let's take a look inside. Now folks, that we're inside, the first thing you notice is the BMW multifunctional sports steering wheel, the fully digital cockpit, the BMW iDrive system, the automatic transmission. This car is also fitted with ambient light, customizable ambient lighting. Right now it is set to purple. It has the BMW SOS system on board, heated seats, fully automatic seats. It comes in a black Dakota leather with a sports trim. Also on board is a sports mode, comfort mode, and an Eco Pro mode. This car is also fitted with 360-degree sensors and a reversing camera. Now that was just a quick look around this BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance. If you have any questions or if you want to take this lovely car for a test drive, please feel free to stop into us or ask online. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video.